Imagine two neighbors. They drive the exact same model of electric vehicle, and they share an identical 30-mile commute to work every single day. This chart compares annual cost per mile. Driver A uses public chargers, paying 10 times more than driver B at home. Even with home charging, a gap remains. For a 60 kilowatt-hour battery, driver A pays £18, while driver B pays £5. This price difference has nothing to do with the car's mechanics or the battery. It is the direct result of a single 5-minute decision about how they buy power. Most people assume that lowering these costs requires an expensive investment in high-tech garage hardware. A dedicated 7-kilowatt wall charger is useful, adding 25 to 30 miles of range per hour, and is rated for safe, continuous overnight use. By contrast, a standard 3-pin granny plug adds only 8 to 10 miles per hour. While slower, it is often sufficient to cover a typical driver's daily mileage. However, neither the high-speed wall unit nor the basic plug changes the baseline price of the electricity flowing through them. Hardware alone solves the problem of speed. To solve the problem of cost, we have to look past the garage and focus on the power grid itself. The actual cost of driving an EV is dictated by the specific electricity tariff attached to your home meter. On a standard flat-rate tariff, electricity costs the same premium price at 2 in the afternoon as it does at 2 in the morning. This is a graph of national grid demand over a 24-hour cycle. Energy providers offer discounted time-of-use rates during this distinct valley between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. when demand is at its lowest. Look at the prices within that valley. Standard rates of 25 to 35 pence per kilowatt-hour drop to overnight rates of 7 to 10 pence. That is a direct saving of 40 to 60%. Home solar charging can lower these costs even further, potentially to near zero, though it relies entirely on having enough generation during daylight hours. Whether you use midnight grid lulls or daytime solar, capturing the lowest rates requires precise timing of when the vehicle pulls its power. This creates a logistics problem. How do you ensure the car charges during those cheap hours without manually plugging it in at 11 every night? You don't actually need a specialized smart charger or a paid subscription app to schedule these off-peak rates. Most modern electric vehicles come equipped with built-in departure schedule software directly in the dashboard settings. This timeline illustrates the car's internal logic. You tell the car when you need to leave in the morning, and the computer calculates backward from the current battery level to ensure the charging window stays entirely within those off-peak hours. While dedicated smart chargers offer extra data tracking, using the car's native software handles the timing perfectly without any additional investment. This explains our two neighbors. Driver B achieves 10 times cheaper mileage simply by matching a dashboard software setting with the grid's off-peak window. It is a shift away from the gas station habit of active manual fueling and toward a new model where charging is a passive, automated background process. Over the life of the vehicle, combining a time-of-use tariff with automated scheduling reliably cuts total fuel costs in half. Adopting a set-it-and-forget-it routine turns refueling into a background utility cost that takes care of itself while you sleep.